Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you how to use Bass Boost on your JBL PartyBox Encore. So, let's get started. Firstly, we need to turn on the speaker by clicking on this power button and you'll hear a chime and it will light up. So let's just wait a couple of seconds. Great, and now we need to pair it with the phone. For this, just click this Bluetooth button so it will start blinking. And now just simply open settings on your phone, go in Bluetooth section and enable Bluetooth by clicking it. And now you will be able to see the name of your device, JBL PartyBox Encore, in the list of other devices. So select it by clicking and wait for it to be connected. Great, and now it is connected to the phone because you can see it in the list of my devices and you can see the status connected. And now let's enable Bass Boost. You can find it right here, right under the light button. So just click it so it will light up. And now just turn on any music you like and check how the bass would sound. Great, you can adjust the volume and do everything according to your preferences. If you think that there is too much or too little bass, you can change the settings via the JBL PartyBox app by switching the bass boost level from deep to punchy. So let me show you this app. It looks like this. Let's launch it and then select our device so it will be connected. Wait a couple of seconds and then click on your device. Great. And right here, just scroll a little bit. But let me just turn on the lights first. And scroll till you see this Bass Boost section. And enable it by clicking on this switcher. And now you can switch between deep and punchy. Just like this. Choose wherever you like according to your preferences and enjoy your favorite music. If you want to disable this function, just simply click it again so the lights will turn off. And that was all for now. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.